I'm Ty with WTI, and this is my rosemary oil. What I love about rosemary oil is its natural and potent properties that promote a healthy scalp and stimulates hair growth. Rosemary oil is known for its ability to nourish the scalp, and its stimulating properties can encourage your hair to grow. So that's why I use it. One of the standout features is its effectiveness in addressing dry hair concerns. Rosemary oil works to moisturize and hydrate the hair and scalp, combating dryness and promoting overall hair health. The purity of this rosemary essential oil ensures that I'm getting the full benefits without any additives or dilution. It's a versatile oil that can be used in various ways, whether added to carrier oils for a massage, mixed with a hair mask, or even added to a regular shampoo. So I normally create these oil masks, and that's how I use it in my hair. So I highly recommend using this if you're looking for a natural way to stimulate hair growth. And that's my point of view.